Today, we're going to share practical Google Sheets automation tips that can help you save time, reduce repetitive work, and work more efficiently in 2025. Automating tasks in Google Sheets is especially useful for managing data, tracking projects, and handling recurring tasks without manual effort. First, use formulas and functions to automate calculations. Functions like sum, average, COUNTIF, and VLOOKUP can automatically calculate totals, averages, or find specific data, eliminating the need for manual calculations. This saves time and reduces errors, especially for large data sets. Next, take advantage of conditional formatting. You can automatically highlight cells based on rules such as overdue dates, high priority tasks, or values above a threshold. This visual automation helps you quickly identify important information without manually checking each entry. Another powerful automation tool is Google Sheets macros. Macros allow you to record a series of actions and replay them anytime with a single click. For example, if you regularly format tables or update reports, a macro can do it automatically, saving you a lot of repetitive work. You can also use data validation and drop-down lists to reduce errors and streamline data entry. By restricting entries to specific options, you ensure consistency and accuracy, making your spreadsheets more reliable and easier to manage. Finally, explore Google Sheets integrations and add-ons. Tools like Google Apps Script allow advanced automation, such as sending automatic emails, updating data from other sources, or generating reports. Add-ons like Zapier or SheetGo can connect your sheets to other apps and automate workflows seamlessly. By using these automation tips, you can make Google Sheets a powerful tool to manage data efficiently, save time, and focus on more important tasks in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Google Sheets productivity tips and tutorials.